Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Peace and blessing upon all of you. Simple istighfar sometime we forget to say. Istighfar means astaghfirullah or astaghfirullah wa atubu astaghfirullah wa atubu la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. But simple astaghfirullah meaning I seek your forgiveness, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Istighfar has 7 benefits. Number 1, istighfar removes anxiety, depression. Number 2, istighfar increases dua acceptance. Number 3, istighfar opens door for the sustenance. Number 4, istighfar opens the door of mercy. Number 5, istighfar opens the door of knowledge. Number 6, istighfar gives the gateway to productivity. And number 7, istighfar will relieve you. So whatever we do, wherever we go, even if we are busy with our work, we drive, we walk, anytime, simply we can say astaghfirullah, 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 and then you will be benefited and the blessing will be coming on you from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.